Yeah, alright guys, you are welcome to this tutorial on graphic design. This tutorial is brought to you by Tessero Graphics. Now in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get thousands of fonts at once on your Pixel Lab. No need to start installing or adding fonts one by one. I'll be providing you a font pack. The font pack contains thousands of fonts, so you just add all the font at once on your Pixel Lab. So once you install Pixel Lab newly, you just install this font pack I'll be providing. Then you have different fonts to use for different design. Now before I start properly, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button and support my channel. Now first of all, let me show you the fonts that I'm having. So I will just let me change this text to Tessero Graphics. Tessero Graphics. Okay, so let me show you the font. So you click on this A assign here, then you locate fonts. Then you go to my fonts. See my fonts? I have thousands of fonts. You see them? Very many. See them? They're still going. So the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how you can get yours. Now first of all, the font pack is in zip format, so I compressed it to zip format. So what we need to do, we need to extract it. We need to extract the font from the zip file. So to do that, you will need what we call Z-Archiver. Z-Archiver, don't worry, I'll be providing you with the link for the Z-Archiver on the description below. And also I'll be providing you the link to get the font pack on the description below. So do well to check the description on the video to get the font pack. Now I have different font pack, so I'll be using one as an example. So after opening the Z-Archiver, you will locate where the font is. Now I've kept the font on my Android folder, so I will click on Android. Now you see the font pack 1 Tessero. So I have different fonts, so this is just one of them. I'll provide all of them on the description below. So after locating it, the next thing to do is to extract it. So you click on it, then you see extract here, then you click on extract here. Now there's a password for it. So now this is the password. This is password for it. Then you click on done. This is the password. You click on done. Then you click on OK. As you can see, the file is extracting. Good. So it has extracted the font pack for us. So look at it here, font pack 1 Tessero. So this is the font. Now the next thing to do is to add the font to our Pixel Lab. So how are we going to do that? Now let's go to our Pixel Lab app. Let's go to the app. Now let us go back to the fonts. You click on font, then you click on my font, then you click on this T sign, this T plus here. You click on this test, you click on this then you locate the folder. Remember, the font pack was extracted on Android folder, this Android folder. So you click on Android folder, then you see the folder here, font pack 1 Tessero. So you click on it, so you see the font here. So you just tick on them, all of them, just tick them. Good. So after you've ticked on all of them, you now click add selected. You click on add selected. When you click on it, all the fonts would have entered. So these are the fonts. So I'll be providing you with the different packages, the different fonts files. That the one I just did as a sample is just one of them. So you check the description link below for them. So that is just how you can install font on your Pixel Lab. Please do well to support my channel by subscribing to my channel. I'll be dropping other videos. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.